I think challenging the boundaries that way is still important. I mean, parody music, जैसे Bo Burnham does it on his stage. तो opinion of self ज़्यादा bother करता है than opinion what others hold. Maybe joke doesn't land, people call you pogo. That's fine.
जोक लिखते हो, सुनाओ एक.
भाई
एक हो जाए.
भाई. It was a process for me to be comfortable with that fact that people might know better than me. I've heard that reading porn is better than watching porn.
12 seconds later.
तो there was this friend, he said कि मेरे को ना मेरे दोस्त ने रात को 1-2 बजे कॉल किया. She said
This is Upshup Radio.
realities of what you're doing, right? So one is getting the art, getting the motivation, and then it's changing your life. That's all one part of it. But once you learn the technicalities of how you can play with your audience. So one thing I remember, we were having a conversation like in a different setting, where we were discussing the fourth wall, and you had a very different opinion about it. So let's get to that.
So fourth wall basically again breaking the rules वाला part जो था. तो first time जिसने fourth wall break किया होगा उसने pre-existing notions भी break किए होंगे ना writing के at some point. Then it became a norm.
Right.
So knowing the technicalities is good. Helps you build the mechanical strength to produce your art. I think I had this conversation with you guys only or someone else before that, well mechanized craft, knowledge of technicality of a certain form translates to art. है ना? When you're doing something, you are just so good at it at times कि मतलब you are doing all the things technically perfect. है ना? पर वो इतना smoothly हुआ कि वो art बन गया. पर उन technicalities में maybe you move a pin here or make a change there or bend the rules a little, and what you see again makes sense and it's still as good, है ना? Maybe even better. So I think challenging the boundaries that way is still important. I mean, parody music, जैसे Bo Burnham does it on his stage.
Right.
है ना? I don't think मतलब होंगे यार लोग parody music और fun comedy music हमेशा से करते होंगे, but because he trusted in his technicalities and bending the rules to a level कि भाई like he has a legendary status in the comedy circuit.
Right.
So it's not something that you have like see
Study
every day, right?
Yeah, you don't study these things, you build these things. तो
अब वो like we saw that Netflix वाला show Kanan Gill का. Remember that?
The
Hey,
dark
that's alright.
comedy about
The
it.
depression one.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So a letter I wrote to myself while at home.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever tried stand up?
No.
I have tried it in
I
college.
have also tried it because I have like a massive stage fear.
Okay.
मतलब अब तो obviously इतना नहीं because I feel क्या ठीक है लोग हंसेंगे या तो नहीं हंसेंगे, but yeah, that much. But there is also this thing that in my head there's a certain projection of myself, a certain standard where I feel कि अगर if I speak in front of people, I need to meet that standard and it has to be remarkable at some level. ठीक है? Because people enjoy my company. Majority consensus, not everybody. Majority consensus, people enjoy my company. आँख बंद करा ठीक है ठीक है देखते हैं ना बाद we'll decide on it later.
So far so good.
So that becomes a benchmark for myself कि यार इतना fun तो होना ही है. अगर इतना नहीं हुआ तो फिर I'm not pulling my weight. तो opinion of self ज़्यादा bother करता है than opinion what others hold to my
अपनी जो
standard set किया हुआ है जो.
But यार not true for stand-up comedy ना, मतलब you will laugh on your jokes.
नहीं stand up
People won't.
नहीं तो how see that's what the benchmark I'm talking about ना. Between your friends you're funny, you're not thinking about the or sometimes you are not, maybe joke doesn't land, people call you pogo, that's fine. ठीक है तो but when you are in front of people you are trying to do it professionally maybe, or just for the fun of it, but you know, people have paid to see you or buying a beer to see you.
Correct.
Then तो you need to deliver on
Yeah,
to
there
it,
you
no?
need to deliver, है ना.
Right.
तो वो थोड़ा चीज़ें आती है दिमाग में. Then you feel कि अच्छा यार, at least उतना अच्छा तो बनो. Like 7 out of 6 times I need to be funny. तो वो सारा point आता है दिमाग में. I have tried stand up mostly online, less offline, but I want to do it more. I love the space of comedy writing, stand up writing.
जोक लिखते हो सुनाओ एक
भाई
एक हो जाए.
भाई the worst, these are the worst type of people. भाई.
बेस्ट इंडियन अंकल
हाँ ना, अरे someone was talking to me and they said कि हाँ, this friend, I said कि भाई I can't go, there is this place I need to be, I need to do this open mic gig that I got very, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल से मिला मेरे को. तो कह रहे कि अच्छा, बट सो यू आर नॉट कमिंग टू माई बर्थडे पार्टी. मैं कहा कैसे आऊँगा? तो कह रहे तो हमारे से लिए परफॉर्म कर दियो ना. आई वाज लाइक फक भाई, कि क्यों ऐसे क्यों बोला तूने, अब मेरे को दोस्ती तोड़नी पड़ेगी.
सही बात
So
है.
that sort of thing keeps happening, bhai. Like people don't understand.
Did you go there
Yeah, I did the
to the
birthday
birthday party?
I did the birthday
Dish the
party.
birthday. Damn.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't do anything for cake.
Everything is cake, no?
Cake walk.
What if the mic was cake?
नहीं, मैंने तो जब stand
Which cake?
Pastries.
Okay, that cake.
मैंने जब stand up try
Which
किया
cake
था.
were you thinking about?
अरे
How-
bro.
How many cakes?
Huh?
How many
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ
cakes are there?
Like, are we going that road?
We
I say
can.
you don't know, like ass is called cake. If someone has got a good ass, so like they're caked up. He didn't know, I guess.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Boomer.
I will
Boomer
not
alert.
Eat that cake.
Yeah.
What sort of lingo is that?
That's internet
very
lingo.
new
Nahi,
lingo.
is it very new? Because
Not
I
very
पता नहीं
new.
यार.
Not very new. Slightly niche.
मैं तो न्यू भी नहीं बोलूँगा क्योंकि
Are you
मेरे
a
को
boobs person or an ass person? That question also comes.
वो उसमें तो I take that Anil Kapoor वाला stance. Depends on whether the issue is coming or going. है ना?
Anil Kapoor मतलब boomer. Anil Kapoor का reference मतलब boomer.
यार I grew up watching ये Anil Kapoor and ये वाला था ना.
So did we. But,
But
ठीक है.
apparently the
you
thing
gotta
is-
keep up with the times, right?
True. But maybe I feel lately I've not been checking out girls, I guess.
Huh?
you're too
Why?
comfortable.
Too comfortable.
Too comfortable. is
Not
just-
good. Not good for your art, bro. Comfort is
Maybe
very
good for
bad.
your life.
Not good.
Who
for
cares about your life? Let's make
I
art.
hope
Give-
this gets to the
Give
girls,
us
man.
music.
Ah,
Give us music.
I hope she hears it.
No, sorry.
See, now you are also comfortable.
मुक्का मार.
Anyways.
हाँ.
But we can never leave checking out people, man.
Yeah, that I mean.
Even then.
I'm not saying anything.
But go.
But
God-
all opinions are welcome, right?
हाँ.
Yeah, right.
So tell na.
Opinion are welcome and judged.
Not by us.
हाँ, not by
And
us.
how many viewers do we have at this point?
Even if it is like 10,
We have nothing to lose.
nothing to lose.
Bro, you have nothing to
I feel
lose,
like-
even if there is one view, because that one view will be the.
Us only going back
Yeah,
home.
exactly. Every time I watch it, there's someone else has watched it. I have another view. I'm people are going crazy over this shit,
हाँ,
man.
people are going crazy for it.
Yeah, people are going crazy here, man.
And what are the chances that if I view, they also view? Only if I view.
ये Michael Scott वाला
Am I
लग
the
रहा है।
algorithm?
Yeah. See, that's the difference with me. Even if I fail at this, I'll start another thing. That's the name.
Algorithm, Matrix.
Yeah.
This guy keeps making reels on Instagram about his life in Japan. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not.
An
He's
Indian
yeah,
living in Japan.
yeah.
I think I've seen it.
अरे जाट type.
Yeah.
He's
Little
like
Faridabad
doing
lingo.
He's so doing like a normal job there.
हाँ.
Yeah,
Like
coding.
an engineer or something.
Yeah.
I guess. But
He's so happy, looks so happy.
I know,
Everybody
I
is
know.
saying he loves the Matrix. Other are saying he is the Matrix.
हाँ सच में ब्रो ये
But
मैं
भाई क्या
आज
awesome
हमने
है।
खाना खाया कल भी हमने खाना खाया परसों भी हमने मस्त है भाई.
Yeah.
So that's-
और आजकल एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है एवरीवन इज मतलब आई एम हैप्पी टू सी दैट एज अ ट्रेंड rather than just girls doing a silhouette challenge. So I like that silhouette challenge by the way. But
To all the girls out
Put,
there.
put your hands on the shoulder wala challenge.
हाँ.
But anyways, there's a new trend going on. Ram Bhai Saria ne.
हाँ.
वो बंदा मोदी जी के पास पहुंच
It
गया.
is amazing, man. I mean, people are. It goes on to say that only discipline is what's lacking.
Yeah.
Because resources can never put a cap on what you can achieve. So it's just the discipline and consistency.
Correct bro. सही बात है.
And the best part is that 75-day challenge has a thing now. You need to read 10 pages of any book. So mostly these days people are going back to spiritual books.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Someone is reading Gita,
Shiv
someone
Puran.
is reading exactly.
राम स्तुति.
There was this person reading what's his Gurbani होती है ना जैसे. तो it's great, man. I mean, in the end, it's a book. Yeah.
Does Mastram count? Sorry to bring it in the same table, but reading
Yeah.
is reading, man.
Reading is reading, yeah.
हाँ reading चलेगा भाई कैसे
But
भी.
the challenge dictates that it needs to be a self-help book.
हाँ true.
Oh,
It
can't
cannot be
अरे.
any literature. मतलब you're not reading 10 pages of fiction.
हाँ. ये वो है Atomic Habits की तरह है ये.
It is
पूरा
like-
पूरा challenge ही वो है.
Challenge is
But
like-
I've heard that reading porn is better than watching porn. Like your neurons are still firing that way.
मैं बताऊँ एक बात इस
अच्छा imagine करना पड़ेगा.
इमेजिनेशन से बेस्ट कुछ नहीं है भाई.
Best है भाई, top notch यार.
मतलब
Agree,
for the
agree.
most of नहीं I am not going.
मैं तो सिंगल हूँ तो मेरे को तो
I'm not
मैं तो कहूँगा ना बेस्ट है.
Imagination ही होगी best. Arrogant.
वो है ना एक शो है जिसमें बिग बैंग थ्योरी
हाँ.
जिसमें हार्वर्ड इज लाइक चेकिंग आउट अदर गर्ल्स लाइक वेरी बैड वे ही इज लाइक अ मैरिड गाय एंड ही इज लाइक माय वाइफ डजंट माइंड वेयर आई गेट माय इंजन रनिंग एज लॉन्ग एज आई पार्क इन द राइट गैराज. सो ठीक है.
Nice bro. कहाँ पहुँच गए हो मार्ट से?
No,
That
that is
kind
also
of-
writing done well only.
हाँ, art
Somebody
also.
wrote that.
Art,
अरे
अरे.
it writes screenwriting.
हाँ.
हाँ.
वही तो अभी जो बताया मैंने.
हाँ,
Screenwriting ही तो.
I first experience with screenwriting was when I took that first draft जो होता था AIB का.
हाँ.
तो तब तक तो I guess AIB was not AIB, it was just first draft.
हाँ. AIB dissolve हो चुका था.
2019 की बात बता रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
That was one of the places where a lot changed for me, है ना. And a place where again you feel कि अच्छा थोड़ा तो imposter मैं भी हूँ. Because
I'm
there
not
were
good
there
now.
was there were little boys sitting behind me, little as in like school kids, you know, kids in the first year of their college, and talking some really articulate stuff about filmmaking and movie writing, like screenwriting in general.
Which I didn't know about.
I didn't know about. है ना. Or it was a process for me to be comfortable with that fact that people might know better than me. And it's okay. You got to be around those people. You know, that's how you make your technique better.
Right.
So that you can fuck up the rules. That's the agenda, right?
मेरा पहला experience था.
यार ये fuck up the rules वाला sorry to interrupt
हाँ, बोल.
but ये मैंने पता है कहाँ सीखा था. In the place no one can imagine.
Mm-hmm.
कि you need to understand the rules to know when to break it. In Hitler's biography. Because it's dark,
Yeah.
but it's true.
Me comes.
Because Hitler
Megam.
in one of the chapters talks about it. Says मतलब उसकी philosophy was defined in a way where he says if you want to change the system, you want to be the system, be influential enough in the system with the current philosophies going around,
Right.
so that you can implement yours.
Yeah.
So
correct.
it was like that only. Keep follow the rules, then you can break them.
I have my own theory on this, like which is synonymous to this part, is where that you know every animal has their strength. You know, some animals are fast, some animals are
Can
very
climb trees,
strong, yeah,
some can
everything
fly.
like that. है ना. It is said that humans are endurance based animals, है ना. But our core is basically intelligence, right? We are intelligent than other species, and to make ourselves influential or you know in power, we are just trying to outsmart each other, है ना. How does that work with, I mean, if you keep outsmarting other people long enough, that's where endurance comes in.
Correct.
You be that system, go to the top, and again fuck shit up, man. Right?
Correct.
So that's where I don't see problem when you know I mean it's problematic when someone stronger tries to you know
Humiliate the-
humiliate someone who's not in the same position, but intrinsically, as of now, like we don't know, we might evolve from this another species, but that's
True,
how it is. That
true.
is how it is.
Punching down is always considered bad, you know, in comedy.
But it's more funny.
punching down.
Huh?
But it's more funny. It's more funny, I'm saying.
But people don't like to laugh at it. People don't like to laugh at it.
A lot of them do not. People, like, if they come from the place, you know, a section of society or a section who, you know, is being punched upon, you know, punched down upon, they might not like it, है ना. किसी के लिए बहुत सेंसिटिव हो सकता है वो टॉपिक,
True.
है ना. बट यू कांट पुट, ठीक है, सही गलत वाला चलता रहेगा, बट यू कांट जस्ट रियली पुट टेप्स ऑन समवन्स माउथ की. नहीं बोलना है
मुझे तो लगता है
क्योंकि
कॉमेडी तब तक
Again-
कॉमेडी है व्हेन इफ इट
again
मेक्स यू
हाँ,
लाफ
laugh.
इट्स कॉमेडी.
या
But हाँ, वही वाली बात आ जाती है फिर. Harassment also. People feel harassed listening to certain types
I
of
think
lingo
you
or
make
whatever.
fun of us. What? How does it matter?
या
I think
You
it comes
punch down upon me,
I
yeah.
think it comes from privilege.
हाँ, definitely.
Right,
This
right.
is a privileged statement. What I'm saying is also privileged because let's not go there and count it, but I understand that. But it is what it is.
एक वो अभिषेक उपमन्यु का है ना, वो कहता है कि जैसे मोटे लोगों का मजाक उड़ाना इज कंसिडर्ड पंचिंग डाउन इन कॉमेडी. ठीक है, कहता बट इफ आई मेक फन ऑफ मुकेश अंबानी बीइंग फैट इट इज नॉट पंचिंग.
So true, man.
कह रहा यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट योर विक्टिम. का भी
भाई,
रिसेंट
भाई,
ओके
भाई, बहुत crazy shit.
हाँ, बता रहा है कि आई हैव लिस्प. ठीक
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
तो बोलता है कि लिस्ट में क्या होता है, यू कांट से एस.
S.
ठीक है, कह रहा है बीमारी का नाम में ही ऐसा है. कह रहा है मैं सबको बता रहा हूँ मेरे को लिप हुआ है, लिप हुआ.
Lift.
क्रेजी भाई, मतलब ऐसे इतनी ऑब्वियस चीजें बोलता है, मजेदार.
वो 1 घंटे का है ना YouTube
हाँ,
पर. अरे
हाँ,
भाई
हाँ.
मस्त.
अरे तू एक बता.
क्या
यार एक बार ये अपन डिस्कस कर रहे थे इंडियन शोज के नाम जैसे होते हैं, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. इट्स लाइक इंसेस्ट.
हाँ. कहानी घर घर की हिसाब से.
Oh fuck, bro. There is a very crazy shit that I heard on reels. मतलब लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या बनाते हैं. तो there was this friend, he said कि मेरे को ना मेरे दोस्त ने रात को 1-2 बजे कॉल किया, और उसने जो बताया वो सुन के मेरी भी बहुत फट गई, कान फट गई. He said I took this girl to an OYO and I was with her middle of the night, and होता है ना जैसे you just woke up and you're like you cuddle, and he cuddled the girl, and what the girl said changed his life.
What was that?
She said
Fuck, भाई.
but crazy shit, man. मतलब that gave me trauma, and it took 2 weeks, after which I laughed on this.
ज्यादा पंच डाउन.
But anyways, very crazy shit, man. कहानी घर घर की से याद आया मुझे.
मेरे तो एक दोस्त ने बोला था
नहीं,
भाई,
नहीं,
ये नहीं जाने वाला ना.
मेरे एक दोस्त ने बोला था भाई स्पैंकिंग नेशनल टीवी पे हो रही है. मैं कहा कैसे?
But यार
क्या रहा, कहता है थपकी प्यार की.
oh bhai. But since we have mentioned it na,
हाँ.
the statistics go like that. Why I brought this up is to back it up with something. The statistics, his eyes are like he's covering up now, but it's not the case.
Cover up.
Although it is. So, but the thing is, the statistics are like that. We hear it every hour. So many bad things are happening. The way you say, you come from a family of lawmakers, right? So what happens is you see the ugliest side of the spectrum, that you know that this is happening. You cannot let that happen around you, or you would not wish that on your worst enemies. But in the end, since we were discussing that punching down is also a form of comedy, right? Should be respected or not is very subjective, but I think नहीं टेप कर सकते किसी का माउथ. मतलब फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच तो वहीं से आएगा ना. free speech, then enough room to think freely should be there.
फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच का मेरा बस यही प्रॉब्लम है कि जो लोग फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच का इतना बैनर लेके आते हैं ना, दे आर द मोस्ट सेंसिटिव पीपल एवर यू विल मीट.
I saw a YouTube video, a guy talking about freedom of speech had banned comments. You cannot comment on his video. It's like, what the hell, bro?
What the hell? हाँ सही में. Anyhow, I think that wraps up.
Yeah, I think we covered the agenda.
हाँ, I think it has changed us drastically.
Yes.
And हम बुरे लोग नहीं हैं, but हमने कुछ बुरे जोक सुने हैं,
हाँ,
है ना? ऐसा हो सकता है.
किसी हमारे दोस्त भी नहीं है वो लोग अब.
मैंने तो वो इंस्टा अकाउंट भी वो कर दिया,
सही
रिपोर्ट
बात
कर
है.
दिया.
मैंने अपना ही डिलीट कर दिया.
हाँ, राइट.
आए ना मेरे पास. चलो, anyhow, it was a wonderful time hanging out with Pogo today. And
Yes, it
आप
was.
जब जैसे ही एपिसोड रिलीज होगा आप जाके पोगो देखो.
Good one.
Good one.
That's called a callback. है ना?
That's such a call.
That's a good callback. You do 1 hour and then you come back to the
Comedy.
Comedy. Technicalities you see?
It was a great conversation with you. Looking forward to having more in a different setting, I would
Yes.
say.
Different.
Different setting. ये पानी की जगह हम कोक पी सकते
Different
हैं.
setting.
हाँ, पानी की जगह कोक इस बार, है ना?
कोका कोला.
And coke.
Coke by Coca Cola, guys.
कोई कॉक बोला.
ये मेरे को लग रहा है इसके बाद थोड़ी देर के तो बंद नहीं किया ना तो he'll be like can I get a या
हाँ, सही में.
हो सकता है.
चलो before that happens let's wrap it up.
Yes. And thank you everybody. You want to
Yes.
say thank you?
No, just had a really good time. Nice conversation. Looking towards more of it.
Yes.
So yeah.
Yes. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.